Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Object Detection and Segmentation, Pinpointing Things in Images. Imagine you have a photo, and you want a computer to not just know it's a picture of a street, but to asterisk point out every car, every person, every traffic light, and even outline them perfectly. That's what object detection and segmentation do. It's like teaching a computer to see and identify specific items within an image, giving it super sight. As developers, understanding this unlocks powerful applications in areas from self-driving cars to medical imaging. Think of object detection as teaching an AI to play an advanced game of Where's Waldo? For multiple items when you give it a picture, the AI's job is to find all the interesting objects, like cars, people, animals, and draw a neat rectangular, bounding box around each one. It also tells you what is inside that box. E.g., this box contains a car. From a developer's perspective, you'd feed an image to an AI model, and it would return a list of coordinates for each box, where it is, and a label for what's inside, what it is. How does the eye know where to draw these boxes? We train it with tons of example images where humans have already drawn the correct boxes and labeled the objects. The AI learns patterns, how a car looks, its common shapes, colors, textures, how a person is typically structured. When it sees a new image, it scans it, looking for those learned patterns. If it finds a pattern strongly resembling a car in a certain area, it predicts a box and a label. As a developer, you typically use a pre-trained model, a smart brain already taught. Give it your image, and it handles this pattern matching for you. While object detection draws a general box, segmentation is even more precise. Imagine you're cutting out a picture of a dog from a magazine. You don't want a rectangular piece of paper. You want just the dog's exact shape, fur, ears, and tail. Segmentation does exactly this. It identifies every single pixel that belongs to an object. So, for a car, it wouldn't just draw a box. It would perfectly outline the car, pixel by pixel, separating it completely from the background. This gives you incredibly detailed, fine-grained information about an object's precise boundaries. There are two main types of segmentation, each useful for different developer needs. 1. Semantic segmentation. Imagine coloring all cars red, all people blue, and all trees green. Every pixel belonging to the same category gets the same color, even if there are multiple separate cars. It's about, what is it? And focuses on the class. 2. Instance segmentation. This is even smarter. It not only colors all cars red but gives each individual car a unique shade of red. E.g., car 1 gets light red, car 2 gets dark red. It's about, what is it? And which one is it? Single quote. As a developer, the choice depends on whether you just need to know, there's a car here. Semantic, or, here's the first car, and here's the second car. Instance. This super sight technology is everywhere. Self-driving cars. Crucial for seeing other cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, and lane markings to navigate safely and avoid obstacles. Medical imaging. Doctors can use it to automatically highlight tumors or organs in X-rays or MRI scans for faster, more accurate diagnosis. Retail. Inventory management. Counting items on shelves. Shop the look features in apps. And even cashier-less checkout systems. Augmented reality. AR. Allows virtual objects to be placed realistically into your real environment by understanding the shapes and surfaces of the scene. As a developer, you don't need to build these complex eyes from scratch. Many powerful pre-trained models like a ready-made smart brain, are available from communities or cloud providers. You can use frameworks like *TensorFlow** or *PyTorch** and libraries like *OpenCV** to easily integrate them into your applications. Challenges to keep in mind. Occlusion. What if an object is partially hidden behind another? The AI needs to guess the full shape. Varying sizes, angles. A tiny car far away versus a large car up close. Or objects seen from unusual angles. Real-time performance. For applications like self-driving cars. Detection and segmentation must happen incredibly fast. Understanding these helps you choose the right tools and evaluate model performance for your specific project. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.